So we're gonna see in this video the LED or light emitting diodes. I'm going to teach you and to show you how to test and check these diodes. Okay, here also, as you can see in this motherboard, we have 4 LEDs. Okay, as you can see here, these LEDs contain 2 diodes into it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to test it. Here also in this motherboard, as you can see, we have 4 LEDs, as you can see, that we're gonna check using the multimeter, of course. Okay, so as you can see here, LED 3, LED 4. Okay, so in every laptop motherboard you will find LEDs. Okay, so there are some LEDs that is for the battery, for Wi-Fi, etc. So we're gonna use the multimeter in the continuity option or buzzer option. So let's check right now these LEDs. As you can see here, we have this white mark. White mark means this is the cathode. We should put here the black probe, and into anode the red probe. As you can see, the LED is eliminated. Okay, a green light. So let's check this also. As you can see, we have orange light, means this LED is operated. So let's check this also. So we didn't get any light. We didn't get any lights in this LED. So let's check the fourth one. Here we get the green light, as you can see. So the LED is good. Okay. So let's check this also in this motherboard. As you can see here, we have basically 2 kinds of light emitting diode here. So let's check this first, the LED, the first LED, as you can see. So let's check it using always the multimeter probe. As you can see, we didn't get any light here. This LED can be failed. Probably this LED can be failed. Okay, so let's check the second one. Here we get a blue light. This is for Wi-Fi. Okay, basically this LED is for Wi-Fi, because always for Wi-Fi we get a blue light, but this one no light here. Probably this LED is failed, or we should check it when the laptop is on. So let's check right now this kind of light emitting diode. It contains 2 diodes, okay, inside it. This is the first one. Let's check. Basically the light should be different. This is orange, as you can see, orange light. Let's check the second one. Here we have the green light, as you can see. So this lead is good. Okay. So this also, the second one, the same working principle. This is orange light for the first diode. The second one we have the gray light. So this LED also is good. So let's check this motherboard also. I'm going to show you many motherboards in order to go deeper into understanding the working principle of light emitting diode and how to test it using the multimeter. So let's check again this LEDs. So here we have orange light. This is a good diode. Okay, let's check the second one. So no light here. Always this kind of diodes that is not eliminated, we can check it when we switch on the laptop. So for those here, this also is not eliminated. Anyway, this kind of LEDs can be checked when you power on your laptop. Okay,